Imagine standing in a forest that fell silent decades ago. Now, thanks to AI, you can hear its lost symphony again. AI-powered wildlife soundscape reconstruction uses deep learning to analyze old field recordings, museum archives, and even written observations to recreate the acoustic environments of vanished ecosystems. By piecing together these sounds, AI helps scientists understand how biodiversity once thrived, offering vital clues for conservation and habitat restoration efforts. Recent breakthroughs include Google's Bioacoustics AI and Cornell's BirdNet, which can identify and synthesize bird calls and insect chirps from fragmented or degraded audio samples. This technology not only educates and inspires the public, but also supports ecological research by revealing hidden patterns in nature's sound signatures that were previously impossible to detect. Imagine future virtual reality experiences where you can explore the Amazon rainforest or Great Plains as they sounded centuries ago, immersing yourself in authentic natural soundscapes. If you're passionate about technology and the environment, subscribe for more updates on AI's growing role in conservation. Where will AI-driven restoration take us next?